What just happened?
I don't know. There's a fire in the turbine hall.
The turbine hall. The control system tank, hydrogen. You and Toktanov, you morons, blew the tank.
No, that's not...
This is an emergency. Everyone stay calm. Our first priority
It exploded!
We know. Akimov, are we calling the reactor core?
We shut it down, but the control rods are still like... They're not all the way in. I disengaged the clutch.
I'll disconnect the servos from the standby console. You two, get the backup pumps running. We need water moving through the core. That is all that matters.
There is no core. It exploded. The core exploded.
He's in shock. Get him out of here.
The lid is off. The stack is burning. I saw it.
You're confused. RBMK reactor cores don't explode. Akimov.
Sasha, don't worry. We did everything right. Something strange has happened. You taste metal.
Akimov!
Comrade Perovoshenko, what you're saying is physically impossible. The core can't explode. It has to be the tank.
We're wasting time. Let's go. Get the hydrogen out of the generators and pump water into the core.
What about the fire?
Call the fire brigade.
You're not on call tonight?
Bringing everybody in. Is it warm? Where's the dosimeter? Here. Here. Are they bombing? What the fuck is this? It's 3.61. That's as high as it goes. The good one's locked in a safe. I don't have a key. Valera. Your face. I'm going to find Hodimchuk in the pump room. You, here. Get Shashanuk. He's in 604. Go. We need to get everyone out! Hey, we need to get to the reactor hall. The lift's destroyed. Up 2 flights and across. Why are you going there? Have you seen Hodimchuk? Where's Victor? Still in the pump room. Stay here. I'll come back. Victor!
Ethan, I'm gonna get you out of here. Can you stand? I dropped the control rods from the other panel.
They're still up.
What?
They're still only a third of the way in. I don't know why. I already sent the trainees down to the reactor hall to lower them by hand.
What about the pumps?
Can't get through to Hodemchuk. The lines are down.
Fuck the phones and fuck Hodemchuk. Are the pumps on or not?
Stolyachuk!
My control panel's not working. I tried calling for the electricians.
I don't give a shit about the panel. I need water in my reactor core. Get down there and make sure those pumps are on. Now. What does the decimeter say?
3.6 Röntgen, but that's as high as the meter.
3.6. Not great, nor terrible.
We did everything right.
Vasily. Vasily, what's this?
I don't know, Misha. Don't fuck around with it. Put these up. Look.
Yeah, what is that? I don't know.
The valves, Misha. The valves, let's go. The valves, come on.
What do you need?
We need to get into the reactor hall to lower the control rods with the doors jammed.
I don't think there are control rods. I don't think there's a core.
No, you're mistaken. Akimov said.
Let's go.
Take it the safety test was a failure.
We have the situation under control.
Under control? Doesn't look like it's under control.
Shut up, Fanning. I have to tell the Central Committee about this. Do you realise that? I have to get on the phone and tell Marion, or God forbid, Fronishev, that my power plant is on fire.
No one can blame you for this, Director Prikhanov.
Of course no one can blame me for this. How can I be responsible? I was sleeping. Tell me what happened. Quickly.
We ran the test exactly as Chief Engineer Fermin approved. Unit Shift Chief Akimov and Engineer Toptonov encountered technical difficulties leading to an accumulation of hydrogen in the control system tank. It regrettably ignited, damaging the plant, setting the roof on fire.
Tank is quite large. It's the only logical explanation. Of course, Deputy Chief Engineer Dyatlov was directly supervising the test, so he would know best.
Hydrogen tank, fire. Seats, plenty of room. I apologise for the lateness of the hour. Rest assured, we are all very safe down here. We built this shelter to withstand the nuclear attack by the Americans, so I think we'll be fine. As you can see, we have experienced an accident, a large control tank malfunction damaging reactor building 4 and starting a fire. Now, I have spoken directly to Deputy Secretary Marion. Marion spoke to Deputy Chief Frolishev to Central Committee member Dolgeek, and Dolgeek to General Secretary Gorbachev. Now, because the Central Committee has the greatest respect for the work of the Pripyat Executive Committee, they've asked me to brief you on matters as they stand. So, first, the accident is well under control. Second, because the efforts of the Soviet nuclear industry are considered key state secrets, it is important that we ensure that this incident has no adverse consequences. Now, to prevent a panic, the Central Committee have ordered a detachment of military police to Pripyat.
How large of a detachment?
Between 2,000 and 4,000 men.
What's really going on here? How dangerous is this? There's mild radiation, but it's limited to the plant itself. No, it isn't. Excuse me. You saw men outside vomiting. You saw men with burns. There's more radiation than they're saying. We have wives here. We have children. I say we evacuate the town.
Gentlemen, please, please, my wife is here. Do you think I would keep her in Pripyat if it wasn't safe?
Bukhanov, the air is glowing.
The Cherenkov effect. Completely normal phenomenon, can happen with minimal radiation.
I wonder how many of you know the name of this place. We will call it Chernobyl, of course. What is its real name?
The Vladimir I. Lenin Nuclear Power Station.
Exactly. Vladimir I. Lenin. Yes. And how proud he would be of you all tonight. Especially you, young man. And the passion you have for the people. For is that not the sole purpose of the apparatus of the state?